Hi everyone, it's Amir from CitNOW. The way that we work and the way that we learn has really changed in business over the last few months. At CitNOW, we've introduced a contactless academy, allowing customers to be able to register onto weekly webinars, whether they're new customers that are getting started with CitNOW, or indeed customers that have used CitNOW for some time and really want to get good at using it to enhance their customer communication. Our CitNOW workshop product takes the customer to the heart of your workshop through personalised video communication. Why not join our Getting Started or Getting Good sessions with workshop, which run every week and are available to book on now. Our webinars will provide fantastic tips and insights on how you can really enhance your customer communications. If you're a user of CitNOW and you've just started, or if you're looking to get really good, join our weekly webinars and we'll help you with fantastic best practice tips, insights, techniques, and also dashboard management. Visit citnow.com and go to Academy to register onto our weekly webinars, or drop us a line at academy@citnow.com.